All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights.
They are endowed with a reason and conscience
and should act one towards another
in the spirit of brotherhood.
Everyone is entitled to a social and international order
in which rights and freedom
set forth in this declaration
can be fully realized.
Human rights are important in any aspects of human life, especially as regards the relationship between the individual and the community, the society, the political and economic institutions. Multi-level governance is key because we live a multi-level identity in a multi-level society from global to local. That's why we need that.
I'm Maria and I'm working as an intern for UN Environment in the Post-Conflict and Disaster Management branch.
I'm Angelica from Italy. I'm doing an internship at the European Union delegation to the United Nations and other international organizations in Geneva.
My name is Ekaterina Malatsova and now I'm doing my internship with the United Nations Economic Commission Europe.
The master program provides students with the knowledge and skills
to protect and defend human rights in a multi-level context. Our approach is rooted in the international law of human rights.
I think environment aspect and the environmental security, environmental sustainability, and I've definitely learned how to improve my time management and my team working skills.
I can see the international level and how it works and how the EU relates with the UN since I am in the human rights section of the European Union delegation.
I learned a lot about international legal instruments in the environmental matters.
I think that it's a really enriching opportunity. I really encourage young students to apply to this master course because it's a multicultural environment and I think it's a great opportunity to learn about human rights in a really comprehensive way.
You should join this program because you will acquire new knowledge, you will meet a lot of interesting people and this experience will be useful for your future.
I'm Luisa Meneghetti. I'm working here at the Internal Displacement Monitoring Center as a monitoring expert in the Data and Analysis Department. Human rights, humanitarian works. I found the education that I received at University of Padova is crucial for the kind of job that I'm currently doing because it is the foundation